Okay, I'm going to see if I can show you all how to remove this J-tube off of the earlier PowerStroke 6-liter engines. They used this same style or similar 2003, 4, and it looks like even into early 05, because this vehicle is a 2005 as far as the title's concerned. It was a late 2004 manufacture date. So this should have had the new style. Let's see here. I'm going to show you where I've got that. Got that right behind that little black ring there. I'm going to push the J-tube towards that tool. Ooh, trying to fall over here. That comes right off of there, so that didn't take any effort at all. Let's see here. I'm gonna get in there and replace the internal O-rings. I don't know if you can see. Looks like those O-rings inside are a little bit chewed up. That one's definitely worn out. Okay. Okay, on this J-tube for the 2003 and 4 style high pressure oil pumps, Hpop units on these PowerStroke 6-liter engines, you'll need a special removal tool to get this little push to remove fitting to come loose, or push to connect fitting. Inside here, I found there's this little loose snap ring. I thought that was supposed to be quite a bit tighter, but it was just sitting in here loose. And then in that first groove, it's gonna be hard to see what I'm pointing at, but there's a groove right behind this shiny surface. Immediately behind the shiny surface, you'll have it's either a nylon or a PTFE Teflon. I'm not sure which one it is, but it's a hard O-ring. And then right behind that, you'll have one of these rubberized O-rings, probably a Viton O-ring. And then up here, this is the O-ring that was bad on mine, or at least the one that showed the most wear. Let's get over here where we can see it. Where'd you go? You can kind of see the back of, there you go, that back of that O-ring is just completely falling apart. So it was very likely leaking oil past that O-ring. Anyway, when you're already torn into the engine far enough that you can get to this, spend a couple dollars, buy the tool to remove these parts and replace these O-rings. I think it's $20, $30 for an O-ring kit for this particular part, but it's better than spending the day tearing the thing back down trying to figure out where your leak is. So when you're rebuilding one of these things, replace every single O-ring you come to with the proper, appropriate, brand new Ford or Boss Tech, whatever the original part was, to save yourself a big headache later. I almost left this piece in. I'm glad I didn't. If you're finding any benefit from these videos, I'd certainly appreciate a like and subscribe. Follow this channel for future videos. And it does help us get out there and reach more people that can use this. Thanks for watching.